Okay, to load the filter into the sampler, first open up the lid. And then you'll open your Ziploc bag with the filter inside. Pull it out of the foil and the bag.
Notice how Claire is not touching the screens. So we don't want any kind of fingerprints on the screens or fingers on the filter at all.
And then you'll screw these 4 black bolts down, and make sure the spacer is in between the bolt and the filter holder.
Can you show them that again?
Make sure the spacer right here is in between the bolt and the filter holder. And you want the pressure to be even across the filter, so you probably will need to go around to each bolt 1 or 2 times to make sure that they're all down evenly. And then you can remove the metal cover, and you can place that in the bag with the fake foil. And store this inside until the sample is done running. You'll shut the lid. And secure it into place. And there'll be a carabiner here to clip to keep the lid from coming up with high winds. And then on the sampler screen itself, you'll first hit the down button to take you to the second menu. And then you'll go to this SD card config, which is option number 1. Hit enter, which is this arrow button here. Type in the date starting with hit the arrow, the left arrow here to delete. Type in the date starting with the year, so 2022. Hit the right arrow to move to the next key. The month, so right now it's March, so 03. And then the day, so today is the 23rd. So 2, 3. And then hit the enter button again to save. Click escape, which is the top right button. And then it'll take you back to the main menu, and you want to go to monitor, which is the first option. So click 1 again. And here you have the set point, which is the set flow. So we want it to be 40 SCFM. It'll have the flow rate, the total flow, and the elapsed time. So before you start the sampler, take a picture of this screen because we will want you to record some of these values, like the total flow and the elapsed time. But once you've come to this screen and taken a photo, then you can move to this knob, and there's several options, but you'll turn it from off to continuous to start the flow. And then take a photo of the flow rate. And then you'll take a photo of the flow rate after a few seconds of the sampler running, just to see what flow it's getting up to. And that is how you start a sample.